How to easily teach your dog to lay down. Now, this is a pretty simple trick to teach, and it's the foundation for other tricks like rollover. We're going to do it in 3 simple steps. First, show your dog a treat and get him interested in that treat. Then lower that treat down to the floor between his paws. The dog is going to naturally bend over and eventually will lay down. I'm going to demonstrate. This is my little pup, Scout. He's a 5-month-old Australian Shepherd. So you want to show him the treat, get him interested. Put the treat down or lower your hand down to between his paws, and his nose and his body is going to follow. Once he does lay down, you want to say the magic word. In our case, we're just using the word yes. Give him a lot of praise, and of course, give him that treat. With any trick or any command, repetition is the key. You have to do this 8, 9, 10 times before it gets kind of locked into the dog's brain. What I do is every day before work and after work, I run through all of his tricks just to reinforce everything. It almost becomes second nature. And then once he's really good at it, you can eliminate the treat. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please check us out on the web at DIYEasyCrafts.com. I've got a variety of different do-it-yourself dog training videos on there, as well as some other projects. Thank you very much for watching.